we have talked about what a healthy leaf looks like. This is a healthy leaf as I'm looking at the rose to determine its health and what treatments it needs. I see that I've got black spot. Is this something that I need to defoliate? No, it's just very mild. It happens to many rosarians that are in a humid environment or if you've gotten a lot of rain. So unless you see the rose decline further, there's no treatment that you need to take care of right now for that. Just make sure that if there are any leaves that fall into the bottom of the pot, which I see some down here, I'm going to make sure that I get all of these out. And I'm not just going to throw them in the bed because I do have roses in this bed. I'm going to put these in a container to take away. So I'm going to help. And that way also make sure that your pot is watered regularly to keep the health of your rose up. Continue your fertilizers on a monthly basis. But what I really want to point out to you is black spot aside. Do you see here how it looks like I have bleach that has taken away the color and it has splattered on these leaves? This is a telltale sign that you need to be looking for that you are dealing with a rose slug. And so how do we know, besides looking for those telltale marks on the top of the leaf? And how you tell is you're going to look underneath. I have a rose slug right here. Let me see if I can zoom in on this for you. Do you see that? It's like a translucent green color. It's rather small and it's having a fun little feast there. It's going to continue to get bigger as it grows. And so when it first starts its lifespan, it is nibbling on the outer leaf here and sucking the sap, which takes away the color on the top of the leaf. As it grows and continues to eat away at the petal itself. What are the ramifications of this? Besides making your leaves just look odd with holes in them and they're not pleasant to look at, it will move on to any buds that it finds after it's done with the leaves, and it will attack your buds so that you don't have blooms. And that's sad when we wait so long for a bloom and it is taken over by a slug. So we're looking at this one here and I see the white marks on the top, and so I decided to go ahead and take a look underneath. It's so tiny. Okay, so what are we going to do? Let's get to that. We are going to take Captain Jack's Dead Bug. It's organic, it's bibonide, it's amazing. I'm going to spray the entire rose bush liberally. They say that they want it to be dripping off, and I'm going to come underneath. Try to get underneath. I know it's hard with that sprayer to keep it going if you get it too inverted, but we're going to go ahead and get this completely sprayed. Your rose will be happier for it that you're giving them a break from the stress that they were under. See you in the next one.